Okay. In this next sample, what we're going to do is we're going to define the tool shape for this insert block. When we take and insert this block into our assembly, we want it to cut the pocket automatically for this block, plus put 4 tapped holes in. So to start with, I'm going to middle mouse button click on Quick Layer 1. I'm going to right click on it then, and I'm going to name this tool shape. Okay? If you want, you can set your active transparency to 3. What that'll do then is this next solid we make will come in at a transparency level of 3. Next, I'm going to go to my driving elements, bring back the driving elements of this part. And now I'll go to my curve tool, I'll go to offset, select that same profile that we extruded, and I'm going to offset it 1 inch. And the goal here with this offset is I'm going to use that to extrude a block to place my tool shape into. And now regardless of what I drive with my X or Y values, say I make that 5, you can see that the offset will always update, thus the tool shape will always be appropriate based on what you've designed. So with that, I'm going to go ahead and go to extrude. Now when I go to extrude, and actually I'm going to undo once, this is my Z value of my plate, right? So my block is going to be 3/4 of an inch. Maybe in another version of the block it'll be 1/4 of an inch or an 1/8 inch or who knows. So what I want to do is I want to make sure this is deep enough so that I can always create a blind pocket for this block. That said, when I go to extrude, I'm going to go up to the prompt line here, but I want to have my preview going down. I'm going to type Z asterisk for 2, or asterisk for times 2, and hit enter. And now I've created a block. And now, for example, if I modify Z and make it 2 inches, you can see that my block grows by a factor of 2. Next, I'm going to bring back the driving elements of this, and I'm going to go create a pocket on this face using the same sketch I used to create my block. And here, I'm going to type Z, because I want the depth of my pocket to be the same as the depth of my insert block. I'm going to say OK. And now I'll hide the driving elements of all of that. Great. So now we've created our tool shape. If I turn off the block, you can see that we have a pocket. Okay? In the next video, we're going to go ahead and create the tapped holes as well. And then after that, we're going to put it all into an assembly library part.